Hello everybody. In this video I will talk about generating set of frequent item sets. Association analysis is one of the major tasks done in data mining. Market basket analysis is one of the most talked process in association analysis. Market basket analysis is a type of data mining that identifies patterns of consumer behavior in any retail store. Simply, what we can say is market basket analysis in data mining examines the variety of items that have been purchased together by customer. We already know that department stores sells different kinds of products and consumer will be using basket while purchasing process. Consumer will be placing different items in those baskets. So for the retailer, it is necessary to know what are the two or more items that are purchased together by most of the customers. If they can know what are the two more items purchased together, they can manage their inventory accordingly, they can reorganize their shelves accordingly. So market basket analysis is necessary to be performed by retail stores. In order to do market basket analysis or association analysis between different items, we have to generate frequent n item sets. We have to generate set of frequent 2 item sets, set of frequent 3 item sets. Then we have to know among those generated frequent item sets which are the most interesting. So in this video I will talk about generating set of frequent item sets. Let's suppose we have a list of 5 different items: bread, cereal, butter, apple, jam. Now we have to generate set of frequent 2 items, something like this. We have to generate list of frequent 2 items like this: bread and cereal, bread and butter, and so on. Now let's see how can we generate this using Python. For this we will be creating the empty list L2. Then we will be writing for loop m in range 0 to length of L1. Length function returns number of items. Then we will use another loop n in range m plus 1 comma length L1. Initially the value of m is 0 and value of n is 1, because m is 0 plus 1 means 1. What happened? 0 plus 1. Then what we do is L2 dot append. We will be creating the list L1 m, then comma L1 n. We are combining first element with second element, first element with third element, first element with fourth element, and when this inner loop terminates, the value of m will become 1. Then what we do is we will combine first element with second element with third element, because the value of n will be also increased by 1 here. So second element with third, second with fourth, and so on. So in this way we will be creating a list of frequent items. Now let's print this. Now L2 simple. Now let's run this. Now we can see this. This is the set of frequent 2 items. This is the maximum possible set. So in this way, using the concept of these loops and the concept of list append method, we can easily create set of frequent item sets. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much.